His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main, awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Ahoy, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the chorus. We both look like Jonas brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the chorus. You can impress yourself. Sail Away, Jonas Brothers. Super easy song. 4 chords, that's all you need to know for the entirety of the song. Makes it so much easier. You're gonna need to know a B minor, an F sharp minor, a G, and an A. And that's it. Those are the 4 chords for the entire song. B minor, F sharp minor, G, and an A. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play each individual part of the song, first verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. I'm going to skip the second verse, because, you know, obviously it's the same as the first verse, just different words. Just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song, so you know when to change chords and stuff like that. And then I will go over a strumming pattern that you can use for this song. First verse. A little fire, a little fire, riding some kind of wave. It's like it's sliding, summer rising, stars on the center fade. Leave the mental need to just let go. Just transcendental, it's a good tempo, love this tempo. Leave the mental need to just let go. So far beyond. Then you go into the chorus. You make my physical spiritual. When I'm in your arms, I sail away, I sail away, I sail away. Come sail away. Now we're gonna go to the bridge here. Come sail away. Come sail away. Come sail away. It's never so far beyond. You and I, you make my physical spiritual. You just go back into the chorus there. That's where all the chords are placed. Now let's go over the strumming pattern that you could use for this song. It's gonna be down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up. So those are all the chords. That's the strumming pattern you can use. And thank you guys for watching. So if you're looking to master chords and strumming and be able to have more fun playing the ukulele, check out my course, Give the Gift of Learning How to Play the Ukulele to Somebody That You Know and Love this year.